Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background from any image really that you want to upload. It's dead easy, it's free, it takes only a few seconds. So I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly what you need to do. Now before I share my screen, can I just ask you to subscribe to my channel? I am a super busy mom, I work online and I share with you all my tips, my tricks, the tools I use, the mindset I'm in to have success online so that you can have success too. My aim really is to help you have success online. So if you need me to do a video, a tutorial on anything, just drop a comment below and I will make it for you. Okay, now enough talking, we get to see how we can remove the background from these images. So here's what you need to do. You go to your browser and you go here, remove.bg. Just type this in your browser and this is the site you're going to get. It's completely free. I didn't have to sign up or anything like that. Then you click down here on the image you want to upload. Just click here. Sorry, and then go to get a picture that you want to remove the background from. So let's just say I will pick this one. I'll double click on them. And look at that. It's going to do this in like 10 seconds, literally. So there you go. This is the original. This is the one with the removed background. Sometimes there are little bits left for some reason, some little bits of the background stay. If that happens, what you need to do is you click on edit and you select this, erase. And then there you have a kind of little eraser and you can just look, if I wanted to erase some of my hair, let's just say, you see, I just go like that, there you go, and it erases it, okay? But you know, in this case, I wouldn't want to do this. That's it, that's all you need to do. Once you're happy with it, obviously, you download it, click download, and then you are going to get we can't see it because my screen recorder is not, it's too low. But basically, let's just see if I can pause and do this. Okay, let's just see if I can do this. There you go. If I move this, here is the picture. So what you need to do is you just click on it to open it. And there you go. And then you do a right click and you save as, and you just save it to your computer. And that is it. That's all you need to do. Okay, as you saw, that was really easy, wasn't it? It's a really good little tip to know because it can make all the difference. I generally remove backgrounds from images to make my YouTube thumbnails, for instance. It's super useful. If you want to learn how to make YouTube thumbnails, you can check my tutorials playlist. I have a video that shows you exactly how to do that, for example. As I said before, just make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. I really appreciate the support. If you have anything you want me to make a tutorial on, just drop a comment below. Let me know and I'll do it for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.